The Regional Supplier Development Program has been developed by the Western Balkans Sixth Chamber Investment Forum to support the establishment of the common regional market. It includes different services for companies from the Western Balkans region, free online platforms, joint networking events, and technical support to upgrade daily businesses of enterprises. Find clients for your product or service in the Western Balkans markets and beyond. Find manufacturers in the region for your specific needs for raw materials or component parts. Find concrete service for support of your daily business. Find a list of all upcoming events and activities in the Western Balkans region. Find reliable partners from the Western Balkans region to join your supply chain and make it more sustainable. Check out the Market Access platform. It provides you with an insight into over 2,000 companies and their services and products. Get a simple access to your profile with the possibility to update your data at any time. With the Market Access platform, you can reduce your promotion costs. The Western Balkans Sixth Chamber Investment Forum offers you free of charge database where you can search for the partner, product or a service that you need. Your new potential partners are just one click away. Macroeconomic indicators for Western Balkans region. Prices of products that you want to export or import. Information on taxes of specific products. Export-import market trends by country. Discover the regulations about placing a product in the worldwide markets. It's all there. Visit our Western Balkans 6 Market Intelligence database and get the additional information before importing products. Become part of Western Balkans Supplier Development Program jointly with thousands already registered companies and participate in numerous events and programs that we offer.